How to reset your Bank of America online banking password. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Open any of the browser. Now search for bankofamerica.com. You will be directed to the official page of Bank of America, and here is this section for logging into your Bank of America account. You will need to type in the user ID and password associated with your Bank of America account. As you have forgotten the password, you have to click on this option of forget ID or password. Just click on it. Here you have to provide some basic information to recover your password. Type in last 6 digits of your card or account number. Likewise, over here type in Social Security number SSN or tax ID number TIN. In the case you don't have SSN or TIN, you can click on this option of don't have an SSN or TIN. To retrieve your user ID and create a new password, you have to fill these information. Firstly, you have to type in checking or saving account number, likewise ATM or debit card number and ATM or debit card PIN. And then you can click on continue, and that way you will be able to reset your password. In the case you do have your SSN or TIN number, you can just fill these and click on continue, and then in the next page you will be able to reset your password for Bank of America online banking account. So this is how you can reset password of Bank of America online banking account. If this video was helpful to you, at the end make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.